Hey there, science explorers! Welcome back to Science Snap, where we break down big science ideas into bite-sized, brain-boosting chunks. I'm your host, Sen the Science Explorer, and today, we're diving into something every chef, biologist, and shampoo maker should know: protein denaturation. And we're doing it with the POE method: predict, observe, explain. So grab your curiosity hats, because we're about to unravel proteins. Literally. Alright, here's a quick question for you. Imagine you're frying an egg. You crack it into the pan and sizzle. The clear, gooey egg white turns white and firm. Now, predict. What's happening to the proteins in that egg white? Are they melting? Breaking apart? Becoming something entirely new? Take a few seconds to make your prediction. Got it? Hold on to that thought. Now, let's observe. In the raw egg, the egg white is mostly made of a protein called albumin. It's clear and jelly-like. But the moment it hits the hot pan, boom, it turns opaque and solid. This change is irreversible. No matter how much you cool it down, afterward, it won't turn back into goo. This same thing happens when you whip egg whites, pour lemon juice on fish, or even straighten your hair with heat. So, what's really going on in here? Now for the big reveal, let's explain what's happening. Proteins are like tangled slinkies, long chains of amino acids folded into very specific shapes. Their shape is everything. It determines their job. Whether carrying its oxygen or it's carrying oxygen, speeding up reactions or giving structure. Denaturation is when something like heat, acid, or salt causes the protein to unfold or lose its shape. And when it loses its shape, it loses its function. In the case of our egg, heat causes the albumin proteins to unfold and then rebond in new ways, forming a mesh that turns the egg white solid and white. Denaturation doesn't usually break the protein apart completely. It just changes the structure. And guess what? This is super important in cooking, biology, and even medicine. Alright, let's recap with the challenge. What causes protein denaturation? Can it be reversed? And why does a cooked egg turn white? Got your answers? Awesome! You're officially a protein pro. Next time you cook an egg or straighten your hair, just remember, you're playing with protein structure. And now, you understand it through science. Thanks for joining me on Science Snap. If you like this POE approach, let us know and send in your science predictions for future episodes. Until next time, stay curious and keep snapping those ideas into place. Once again, this is Sen, the Science Explorer. See you again next time.